Hi friends, it's Guardian T. My name is Nestor. I'm an ethical hacker and the research in cybersecurity and electronic engineering. Today we are going to see what is Metasploit framework. Before starting, I would like to say it's better to install a hacking lab. For people who don't know how to make a hacking lab, they can visit my YouTube channel, Guardian T, and see how to make a hacking lab. There are many topics, main topics that I talk about on my YouTube channel, and it's important to visit. You can learn more by visiting my YouTube channel. So let's start. So what is Metasploit framework? First of all, the Metasploit project is a computer security project that provides information about security vulnerabilities and aids in penetration testing and the ID signatures development. It's owned by Boston, Massachusetts-based security company Rapid7. Yeah, this is I'm talking about Metasploit. It means that people who want to know Metasploit deeply, it means that all the definition of Metasploit. It's a best known sub-project. It's the open source Metasploit framework, a tool for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target machine. So, by learning Metasploit, you will see many things. You will see many projects included in Metasploit framework. You will see how you can make a remote on the targeted machine. You will see how to use the payloads, how to use the auxiliary, how to scan. Metasploit it has a lot of projects that you can do. The Metasploit project include anti-forensics and the version 2, some of which are built into the Metasploit framework. Metasploit is pre-installed in the Linux operating system. So, for here, I can say anti-forensic tools and version tools, and you can know, as you know, we have for example, when you are attacking or when you are trying to make a penetration testing on Windows 7 or Windows 8 or Windows 10. Now we have already Windows 11. Windows 11 has what we say the firewalls or the defender tools. So it's hard to, for example, to execute a marshals or some codes that you already made by using Linux. Windows will detect those that application or those instructions as a virus. That's why for Metasploit framework there are what we call inversion tools that will help you to escape the antivirus. So without talking too much, let us start. So Metasploit framework can be launched two ways. The first way is to go here in the application, as you can see here, exploitation tools. We have already Metasploit framework. You can click here and it will be launched. And the second way is to open command, so to open the terminal and type Metasploit framework. So let us use this way. For this one, you will not type Metasploit framework, you will just type MSF console and you hit enter. Just wait a little moment, you can see the Metasploit. So we will try to see the main keys for this Metasploit framework, and the best thing, as you know, when you visit the Kali.org, you will see that they update 4 times in years the Linux operating system. They do that so that you can get the updated tools. So it's better to update your Linux or to go to linux.org to download the latest version of Linux. For me, I'm using the latest one. Let me show you my current version of Linux. Now I am using 2021.4 because I already updated my Linux. Okay, so now Metasploit framework is it's opening. Let's wait a moment, and we will see so many things here. So it takes time because Metasploit have first to download many tools. Now he has many auxiliary, you have many payloads, he has many encoders, even the versions. Now I think they have already 9 version tools. So you see, it's important to learn Metasploit framework. And the Metasploit framework is specially used for penetration testing, and even the black hat hackers, they use it because for this one you can do a lot of things. There are a lot of stuff that you can do, you can accomplish by using Metasploit framework. So let us wait, take time. Okay, now it's open. Here is Metasploit. This one you see, it's a banner. You can change it by typing banner. You see now it's changed. You can change it as you want. There are many banners. You see. So I tried to show you how you can change the banner. The banner is this this logo you see here. So now let's see exports. Now we have a 2180, we have a Xerier 1155, and we have a post 399, and we have a payload 592, we have encoders, we have a nodes, we have a version. So what are exploits? The exploit, for example, when you've already get access to the target machine, you can use exploit to upload some instruction, some application in targeted machine. The exploit help us to get access to the machine, to transport. And the payload ones, this is the powerful tools. For example, if you want to see the how many or what are the payloads are in the Metasploit framework version 6.1.14, you can say show, you can just type show payloads, okay, and hit enter. All of them, they are the payloads, okay. You see now payloads. So for example, if you want to use this payload, you copy it and I say use, and I just paste it and I hit enter. So if you want to see more information, you just click info and it will show you many things about this payload you choose. And if you want to quit this payload, just type back. Okay. okay, which is clear. And we can also type show export, then hit enter. It will show all of the export here that you can use. For example, this export, copy, export Windows SMB P PSX. You can just tap use and then press it. Okay, clear info. It will show you many things here how you can use, or you can make advanced for more information. You see, when you type advanced, you get more information about exploits, about payload. Yeah, and you have to type back. You have to say show auxiliary. Even if you type help, you can see a lot of things, a lot of command that you can use. You see, module command, advanced web back, web favorite, web info, show what I was showing you. This command use command is, as you can see here, interact with a module by name or search term index. Yeah, you can also search by using search. You can search a module, you can search an auxiliary, you can search a payload. Yeah, so as you can see, there are a lot of payloads in the Metasploit framework. Show payloads. Okay, if I scroll up, you can see we have some payload for Windows, we have a payload for Android, we have a payload for Apples, we have a payload for Linux. There are many payloads here. As you can see, this is a Windows one. If you want to check the Linux, this is a Windows Linux, and we have also payload for Apple. You see, we have a payload for Android when you want to hack Android. Okay, it means that it's better to learn Metasploit framework, because Metasploit framework is a tools used for penetration testing, is a tool that you can make remote access control to any device. As you can see, there are many combination of device from Apple, device from have a Linux operating system, device have Windows operating system. There are many kinds of devices that you can do a lot of stuff by using the Metasploit framework. So here it's enough for today. Just to know Metasploit framework. For the next time, we will see, for example, how to hack Windows by using Metasploit framework, how to make a remote access control, how to hack Android phones by using Metasploit framework, and make a full control. Do everything you want by using Metasploit framework. When I say everything you want, it means that use the phone as you have it. Okay, as you have it, as its owner. Okay, so you can turn on the camera, the back and the front camera, you can turn on microphone. It means that you can record, you can download some files like a photo, video. You can do everything you want, yeah, by using Metasploit framework. And the other thing, for Windows operating system, you can do even the same stuff that you can do on Android phone. For example, when you hack operating system installed in a laptop, as you know, the laptop, they have a cameras. You can turn on camera. You can turn on microphone. You can download folders. You can download everything you want from the targeted machine. So it's enough for today, and thanks for watching.